Here we go. Well, oh my God, yes!
Beautiful. 765 again for Dale. All right, we're back at the Canzo, and we're wondering about a Milwaukee sponsorship. Milwaukee, give this guy a call. All right, some of the details on this car. We got the GM sticker because general, and look at this, steel deck lid, still has the emblem on it. He did admit he had to move that emblem up a little bit for the wing, but this car is classy. Look at all that chrome. All right, we are here with Kirk and his brand new to him 67 Nova. We are at the West Coast Rumble, Bakersfield, California, Famoso Raceway, and we're not leaving empty-handed. Am I wrong?
You're not wrong.
How did this car come about? What do you want to say about it?
So I finally decided that it was time to get a 760 car, so I looked for something super light. Definitely wanted a Chevy 2 and the nicest one that I could find. So I ended up finding it in North Carolina. Went back, looked at it, got it, picked it up, shipped it back to the Northwest, and then bought a motor from Bill King and put it in here, the 708 that's in it, and here we are testing today, and won best engineered, which is pretty badass.
Really cool.
Yeah.
So, I mean, you didn't just slide in this thing and win the award. You put the motor in, you had a ton of work done. You want to talk about that a little bit?
Yeah,
Wiring, plumbing?
So Eric McCarthy, he built the headers, did all the plumbing and wiring in this thing, and does a phenomenal job, and helping me on the tune part of it. Really good guy. Really stand-up guy.
Yeah, very nice. I mean, it looks great under the hood, and it looks quite different than it did when you got it. Not that it was bad, but it was totally different.
That's right.
Yeah,
That's right.
beautiful car.
Thank you.
Nice work, Kirk. Bringing home the iron.
Now we need to win March meet.
There you go. Let's do that.
Yes.
All right, cool. Well, that is a wrap from Bakersfield. The West Coast Rumble, we had a good time. We tested the car. The car performed really well. The driver made great changes, great calls, and the thing came around. We were starting to wonder there, it wanted to turn left a lot, but he adjusted things and babied it and still went a 779. So this thing is gonna run. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it, everybody. See ya.